Hi everyone, Kuiera here with the XP Realty. I know we've covered a lot of information about the home buying process, but there's still a few more details I need to provide you. Now, I'm going to be going over some of the homeowner responsibilities. Becoming a homeowner is a dream come true for many, but it comes with a host of responsibilities that extend beyond the excitement of home ownership. In this video, I'm going to talk about the various home ownership responsibilities you'll encounter, including home maintenance, insurance, and property taxes, to help you understand what it means to own a home and ensure a successful home ownership journey. Coming up first is the home maintenance. Owning a home requires ongoing maintenance to keep it in good condition and prevent costly repairs. Here are some key maintenance responsibilities. Regular inspections. Conduct routine inspections of your home's exterior, interior to identify potential issues early. You want to do seasonal maintenance. Perform tasks like gutter cleaning, HVAC system servicing, and lawn care as needed with changing seasons. Home repairs. Address any necessary repairs promptly to prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Appliance and system maintenance. Regularly service and maintain appliances, plumbing, electrical systems, and your roof. Homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance is a crucial safeguard that protects your investment in your home. Here's what you need to know. Policy coverage. Your homeowner's insurance policy typically covers property damage, liability, and personal belongings. Premiums. Pay your insurance premiums on time to ensure continuous coverage. Review and update. Periodically, review and update your policy to ensure it reflects any changes or renovations to your home. Claim process. Familiarize yourself with the claim process so you know what to do in case of damage or loss. Property taxes. Property taxes are levied by local governments and fund essential services like schools and public infrastructure. Here's what you should understand. Assessment. The local tax assessor determines your property's assessed value, which is used to calculate your property tax bill. You want to look at the payment schedule. Property taxes are typically paid annually, semi-annually, or as part of your monthly mortgage payment. You also want to review your escrow account. Many homeowners choose to have their property taxes collected as part of their mortgage payment and held in an escrow account to ensure timely payment. Tax appeals. If you believe your property has been overassessed, you may have the option to appeal your property tax assessment. Homeowners Association, also known as the HOA fees. If your home is part of a community governed by an HOA, you'll have additional responsibilities. You'll have the dues. Pay HOA dues to cover common area maintenance, amenities, and community services. Adherence to rules. Follow the rules and regulations established by the HOA, which may include architectural guidelines and noise restrictions. Participation. Participate in HOA meetings and votes to have a say in community decisions. Emergency preparedness. Being prepared for unexpected events is part of home ownership. Home security. Invest in a security system and take precautions to protect your home from burglary or vandalism. Emergency funds. Maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected repairs or losses not covered by insurance. Disaster preparedness. Plan for natural disasters like hurricanes, floods, or wildfires by having a disaster kit and evacuation plan in place. So overall, home ownership responsibilities encompass various aspects from maintaining your property to managing insurance, property taxes, and potential HOA fees. Understanding and staying on top of these responsibilities is essential for the long-term enjoyment and success of your home ownership journey. By taking these responsibilities seriously, you can protect your investment and create a safe and comfortable environment for yourself and your family. For more information, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is listed below. Have a wonderful day.